ऑलरेडी द ट्रेटर शुरू हो चुका है हमारे तो जिस तरीके से
हो चुका है, मैं आ गया हूं तो हो चुका है ना.
Absolutely. And but deliciously brutal. Now this sounds like an absolute strategic play, but we want to know what happens in the traitors. How does the game progress?
Well, as I told you that I am the master of ceremonies. We're in a location very far removed, which actually by night looks kind of spooky, and you feel you could be in a haunted house. Not to say the location we're at was a haunted house. Just putting it out there, it's beautiful, that property. But the atmosphere, वहाँ जो वातावरण है वो ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ होने वाला है. वातावरण. तो जाहिर है जब मैं पहुंचा और जब मैंने सबको वेलकम किया, हमारे 20 सेलिब्रिटीज जो आए थे, तो उनको पता था कि ये एक राइड होने वाला है. तो फर्स्ट दीज 20 guys come in, एंड उसके बाद मैं 3 ट्रेटर्स को चुनता हूं जब सब ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड होते हैं. दे आर ऑल ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड. यू चूज द 3 traitors. Subsequently, only the 3 traitors, when they meet each other, know who the traitors are. सबको अभी पता है कि यहाँ हमारे बीच 3 traitors हैं, और that's when the fun begins. क्योंकि हर रात एक मर्डर होता है, और फिर हर दिन सर्कल ऑफ शक में ये मुआयना होता है कि कौन है ट्रेटर. एंड इनवेरिएबली things go either way, because जो innocence है वो invariably they don't get it right कि traitor कौन है, or sometimes they have got it right, but that I wait for everyone to watch. लेकिन हर रात एक murder जरूर होता है, और murder उस तरह नहीं जैसा आप imagine कर रहे हो. It's a virtual murder.
Okay.
Virtual murder meaning शब्दों से उनको कहा जाता है कि आपकी रिहाई हो गई, आपका मर्डर हो गया, चले जाइए. और रातों रात जिसका भी मर्डर होता है उसे अपना बेचारा बैग पकड़ के पैक करके प्रॉपर्टी को छोड़ना पड़ता है. Immediately they are murdered, and every night there is a murder.
All right, so it's a circle of shak. What is that?
Circle of shak में जो सारे 20 इनिशियली जो 20 थे वो डिस्कस करते हैं कि ट्रेटर कौन है, और वहां सबसे ज्यादा मजा मुझे आता है क्योंकि मुझे सर्कल ऑफ शक से इर्द गिर्द घूमना है. मुझे देखना है, मैं जानता हूं सब कुछ, और उनकी लड़ाइयां वो सब एक दूसरे को देख के कह रहे हैं कि मुझे लगता है तू ट्रेटर है, मुझे लगता है तू ट्रेटर है, और ये सारे सब अपने अपनी राय उस सर्कल ऑफ शक में वहां बयां करते हैं. और वो सर्कल ऑफ शक जो है ना, इट्स द मोस्ट एक्साइटिंग पार्ट, क्योंकि यू एज एन ऑडियंस आपको पता है यू आर इन ऑन द गेम, लेकिन वो लोग जो है ना दे आर नॉट इन ऑन द गेम. तो वो आपको बुरा भी लग रहा है कि शिट व्हाट आर यू सेइंग, नो आप you start playing that game, and that's the beauty of traitors, कि the interactive level between audience and show is the maximum. वो आपको किसी और रियलिटी शो में नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि आप बेड पे बैठे, घर पे बैठे, जहां भी आप देख रहे हो शो, you start feeling invested in the game, like you start talking back to the
players will perceive you. And what's your strategy? क्या है planning इस गेम के लिए?
जब भी मैंने लाइफ में एक मास्क पहना है, सबको यही लगा कि ये बंदा मास्क के पीछे क्या छुपा रहा है. एक मिस्ट्री है, तो आई थिंक दैट मिस्ट्री माइट हेल्प मी इन दिस गेम. ये कलयुग का शो है ट्रेटर्स. इस पे पता नहीं चलेगा दोस्त कौन और दुश्मन कौन 1 मिनट में. यही स्ट्रेटजी लेके आई एम गोना होप दैट जो मिस्ट्री है मेरे पीछे, इट माइट हेल्प मी इन दिस गेम. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट, करण सर शो होस्ट कर रहे हैं, तो वो नेपो हस्बैंड वाला कार्ड तो जरूर यूज करूंगा.
Wish you the best. Last, how far would you go to win, and how important is it personally for you to win?
Well, winning for me is very important because I haven't crossed continents to break into one of the toughest industries to play it safe. So I'm going to go as far as I have to go, and I'm going to look good doing it, and I'm going to do everything to win forever in life.
And you fared extremely well so far. Wishing you the best. Thank you so much. Lakshmi, do you think you can win over friends and influence people?
I'm winning right here, standing in front of all of you. Very good morning. And influence, I've been influencing since some of these traitors knew what content was, darling. So I'm here to win and influence.
Thank you, and wish you the best. Harsh.
Yes.
Drama and laughs. Sounds like your stage. Now, इस शो में क्या आप प्लेयर्स को हंसाने वाले हैं या रुलाने वाले हैं? क्या प्लान है?
सर, इस स्टेज पे, इस शो में ना मैं हंसाऊंगा ना मैं रुलाऊंगा, मैं सिर्फ मारूंगा. और बहुत लंबा मारूंगा। I am coming, the traitors. Thank you.
उसकी गूंज सुनाई देगी दूर दूर तक।
हाँ सर, मुझे तो आप भी ट्रेटर लग रहे हो।
चौथा नहीं है अभी तक 3 ही है सिर्फ, वो ढूंढना है कौन है, पर 12 जून के बाद। Thank you so much, man. Thank you. If I could request to hand over the mic, Anshula, would you be able to betray someone to go and get ahead in the game, out and out? पर आप इस शो की सबसे बड़ी लेग फ्लैग किसे बनाएंगे?
I think people just think that being a red flag is about lying, manipulation, and deception. And all of that is true. But to do all of that, you require brains, which unfortunately most of these people don't have. So I don't know if I'm the biggest red flag, but I use more than one brain cell at all times.
Well, hard है. Request to hand over the mic to Karan. Karan, what you have to say, and you've been television's favorite chocolate boy. Do you think that will affect the players' perception of you?
First of all, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. There's nothing chocolatey or sweet about traitors. Let me just state that fact here. If you think there's anything which is going to be nice and sweet and homely about this show, you're in for a very big surprise. And as Apurva said, it's not about your perception. It's about how you play and how you manipulate. So if these guys are thinking कि ये chocolatey है या ये बहुत sweet है, well, all the best to you guys then.
No place for the sweet tooth here. Yeah? Wishing you the best, Karan. If you could hand over the mic to Nikita. Nikita, you make a living off your poker face and and skills. Now, do you think your game at the poker table will help you with your game on the show?
Yes, first I want to address Apurva. She said nobody uses more than one brain cell. Darling, I use all of them for a living. And my job is to stay unreadable for a living while reading everyone else. So yes, this game is right up my alley. It might not just be helpful to be a poker player, it might be actually dangerous.
Well, thank you for giving us this banter, this appetizer to start with, man. Thank you. We love it. Sufi, why don't you do what you do the best, is
Jesus.
Rate this group that's sharing the stage with you. Rate it. Come on.
Everybody's ready? बेशरम, बेहया, बेवकूफ, बगैरत, बदतमीज, बेहुदगिरी, सब कुछ करके आ गए हम लोग. Just kidding. I do not like this question because you want me to be nice, but I play dirty and you know that. Wow. And to the media, imagine if Rakhi Sawant and Paris Hilton had a baby. That's what I'm giving on this show. And that is a 10 out of 10, baby. That's a 10 out of 10.
We love. Are we going to see a very different avatar and, cold-blooded shade of you?
सर, ये जो लैंड है ना, ये धोखेबाजों का है. ये ट्रेटर्स की जमीन है. तो जैसा देश वैसा भेस और जैसा क्रिमिनल वैसा केस.
Oh, man of yours. Impressive. If I could request to hand over the mic to her. Thank you. Jannat, what is the one secret weapon that will help you survive in such a cutthroat game and filled with backstabbing and out-and-out dhoka?
I think my sweet and innocent looking face. People don't think twice before trusting me. And what they don't know is behind this innocent face, there's this person who's always 5 steps ahead of them. So I'm gonna play my game, stay calm, and as soon as they put their cards down, checkmate.
Well, she's restating the fact. Looks are deceptive, but wishing you the best. Sahil, my questions to you. It seems like the competition's going to be extremely intense and the stakes sky high. Do you think you'll be able to work your charm on this show?
Interesting. Now, I think charm doesn't work. It happens, first of all. But secondly, मेरे को आस्तीन में सांप पालने की बहुत आदत है, so I hope मैं वो escape कर पाऊँ. Because fingers crossed, I think I'm going to be very lucky this time.
We wish you the best and thank you so much. Thank you. What will be my next questions for you? अब ये जो है इस particular group में, यानी कि रफ्तार, जन्नत, साहिल, इनमें से आपको सबसे बड़ा खतरा कौन लगता है?
मुझे सबसे बड़ा खतरा साहिल लग रहा है.
Hey, he's a
Sahil. I think Sahil is the biggest threat